Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a default space view on ClickUp. So you can go ahead and find whichever space you want. And as you can see right here, this is the current view that I have. Now to change the default space view is you just need to click your profile in the upper right hand side, then go to the settings, then click on spaces on the left hand side, then go ahead and click where it says required view. So whichever space you want. So let's say the Drew tutorial space, I can click on this. And as you can see, I can enable different views that I want. So right now it has a list view. I can choose, for example, the calendar view. And as you can see, it's here. I can turn it on or off. And to set a default view, just simply click the three dots there and you'll say make default. You can click on that. And this is going to set whatever you choose to be the default view. So in this case, I'm going to click on save right here. And for this Drew tutorial, the current default view is going to be the calendar view. So as you can see right here, that is it for the Drew tutorial view. So, and that's pretty much how you actually do it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So if you're looking for how to set this, guys, this is how you can actually do it within the ClickUp.